How to export different codecs of one video at once in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a timeline to my project and I'm on the Deliver page. Here under Video Settings, you can see that the format is set to QuickTime and codec is set H.264. We can add another output with a different codec of the same video to the render queue. Just click on the three dots button and select Create Additional Video Output. Now select the second tab. Here, I set format to MP4 and codec to H.265 and I want this output to be in another folder, so put a name here. I can create another output by clicking on this button. Or I can delete an output by clicking on this button. At last, click on Add to Render Queue and render the video. Now right-click on the rendered video and select Open File Location. Here you can see that I have two outputs. This one is my original H.264 codec output, and the one in the folder is my second output with H.265 codec. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.